back to Kyle's Creations. If I want to tell you, all these pieces I'm having, you can choose whatever color you want. And if you see that cat right there, that's our cat, Copper.
Hey, Copper.
No.
Say hi. Copper, say hi. He says, I want to see what you're doing, Kyle.
So today we'll be making Stolen Sword. This is another Pokemon that I made up, just like Giraudon. So I'm separated all these pieces away from it, since these will be the sword pieces that we're using. This isn't for the sword, but it's going to be to use for a sword. First, let's make the mask. So first, actually right here are the pieces that you need. You'll need these too, but those are separated off because I told you. Okay, so first you'll take this piece, and you'll take this piece, and then you hit them on like this. Yes, and you'll take this gold piece. This piece. You can use whatever color you want, just for a reminder, and put it on like that. And then take this piece, and put it on there. And then set that aside. Now we'll be making the body. So take this piece right here and take this piece and put them together, and then take another one of these pieces and put it on there. Put the gray and another one of those pieces is on right there. Then set that down. So take this piece and put this piece on it right here. Then you'll take this piece and put it on there. Then you'll set that aside. Now take this up. Take one of these pieces and put it on right there. And take another one of those and put it on right there.
Can I take a quick commercial break to show your friends how interested your cat is in what you're doing? Okay, back at you.
He's so interested in what I'm doing, just to tell you. And then you'll
He really is.
Set this down. Now you'll be making the arms. First, let me make one real quick so I don't have to worry about doing that again once I tell you how to. Okay. So now this is how you make the arm. An arm. So take one of these pieces and take one of these pieces and put them together like that. Then you'll take one of these pieces and put it on like that. Then take one of these pieces, put them together, just like that. Then you'll take this piece and put it right there. Now you'll take one of the arms and put it on right here, and take the other arm and do the exact same thing. So it will look like this. Now you'll take one of these pieces again and take one of these pieces and put them together like that. Now you'll take this and put it on like that. Now you'll take one of these red pieces, or whatever color you choose, reminder again, and put it right there. And now you'll take two of these and put them on like this. So it will look like that. And then you'll take this, put it on right there, and there. Now take this and put it right here. That's the body. Now take the mask and put it on like this. It's a bit tricky. And put it on right here. That's the body. And now we'll be putting his swords in. So right now we'll be making its number 1 and the best sword. So take a lightsaber handle piece and take one of these pieces and put them together like that. And then take one of these green pieces, or whatever color you choose, reminder again, and put them together like that. So it will look like this, and put it onto the body right like this. And take 2 swords at a time, or 1 sword at a time, and put them in each hand. And those are regular swords. And you'll each clip at one time. Now make sure if you're using all sorts of different colors, it doesn't matter where you put them. But if you're using 2 of the same colors, then you need to put them together on the same sort of clip you're using. And this is what stolen sword looks like. When it's not using its number 1 sword, it puts it back like that. And its special ability is Sharp Sword. Whenever it uses a move in close range, it hurts you like headbutt. But when it headbutts the opponent, it takes extra damage. It gives the opponent extra damage because of that special ability. And bye.